Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome to Food with Fitz, your ultimate destination for mouth-watering homemade recipes. Today I want to share with you a chicken curry that would work great for meal prep or even a family dinner. We're going to start with combining the following spices you see here. Now to the spice mixture. Add a half cup vegetable oil and the juice of half a lime. This should make a paste-like texture. Next, we'll add a fourth of a cup of plain Greek yogurt, along with our spice paste from before, to roughly 1.5 pounds of chicken. Combine all the ingredients until the chicken is nicely coated. We're going to let this marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. While the chicken marinates, we can start the rice. We'll take 1.5 cups of rice, rinse it, and then add 3 cups of water and bring that to a boil. When your rice is complete, set it aside. At the same time, we'll start our curry. This spice mixture is fairly similar to the marinade and is made with the following. Grab a large pot or a Dutch oven and add half a cup of vegetable oil on medium-high heat. We'll begin with adding just the 4 bay leaves and the cinnamon stick to fry in the oil. From here, we'll add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic to fry until golden brown. Once the garlic gets fragrant, add in 2 cans or 56 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of butter, and our spice mixture from earlier. Combine all the ingredients and bring to a simmer. While bringing the curry up to a simmer, take out a separate frying pan and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We will toss our chicken into the pan and turn it up to medium-high heat. Once browned on at least the side and cooked through, we can dump our chicken back into the simmering curry. After the curry is simmered for at least 10 minutes with the chicken, we can turn down the heat and add 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream and stir that in. Finally, don't forget to add in the salt and pepper to taste, and our curry is complete. This curry makes an excellent meal prep and creates about 7 servings. Each serving comes in just under 700 calories, with about 50 grams of protein. Enjoy!